This was really wonderful. I found it very heartwarming.
She sings wonderful and grateful and thankful.
I really enjoyed it. It's a blessing to me, and I hope it was to them.
Well, that was the Silver Bell Choir from Oasis at Mesa Palms.
I think they did pretty well for their age.
You see the excitement that the members had. That makes it worthwhile. That makes it fun. It seemed like some that were usually a little restless, weren't restless. They were watching. And of course, Tim kept waving at me because I work here.
If you have any talents that you want to share, if you play an instrument or sing or whatever you do,
If they could come and perform for the members, it would be great because they really appreciate it.
I think it would be a blessing to you.
I hope they can come again so that they can do it again.
I hope you have a great Christmas forever.
Bye-bye. See you later.